is a new pathway to automating affiliate income, making a few $100s per day, even up to a few $1,000s per day if you do this right. And it involves no social media, no being on camera, no videos, no posting like yourself dancing around on TikTok every single day. None of that stuff. None of it, none of it, none of it. This is perfect for the busy person who's got kids and got bills and got another job and got all this kind of stuff going on to transition into the affiliate marketing online world. So affiliate marketing in and itself is not dead, but the old-fashioned way of doing it is completely dead. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how this new method works and how we're going to be doubling down on it for my company, the Infamous Mob. I'm the Infamous Joel. And we're going to be doubling down on this new method for 2024 and showing you exactly how to do this. This is mind-blowing, so stay tuned. Before that, I'm the Infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Now let's go. Now, if you haven't figured out by now, probably from the title of this video, this new method involves AI. AI, if anybody hasn't been sleeping, under a rock recently, you've heard of AI, you see how AI is taking over the world, and I've been sitting back in the wings kind of watching what's going on because I grew my business, an affiliate marketing business, to 7 figures, but I'm always careful to implement something new. I'm not against new things, but I've seen new things pop up left and right. It's like whack-a-mole. There's always a new tactic, a new push button thing, a new fancy schmancy whatever. So I'm very careful and I watch and see how things progress before I start to implement new things. That's how you should always be. Otherwise, it leads to shiny object syndrome and you're hopping around doing different things and then you don't get anywhere. But with this AI stuff, it really caught my attention because I kept thinking if it could be done right, then it is possible that you could scale without ever posting anything about yourself on the internet, working extra hard and bleeding yourself dry. There's a lot of affiliate marketers that start every single day, try doing this stuff every day, and quickly they get too busy. They get shy about being on camera. They get a lot of backlash from family and friends, and it holds them back from making any money doing this stuff. So I kept watching AI and I said, I see you, AI. I see you. And I'm not sure if it could be done right, but if it can, I'm watching you. The good news is it can be done right, and we're releasing it and unleashing it in 2024 for the Infamous Mob, my membership program. And we're going to show you exactly how it works to grow and scale to 6 figures at least this year, if not 7, if you do this right. Definitely quitting your job. Let me show you how this works. Now, before I walk you through this is not meant to be like an exact step-by-step because we'll be here forever if we do that. This is meant to be an overview of how this actually works so that you can see that this is an actual breakdown of how you can use AI to never have to be on camera, to never have to show yourself all over social media, dancing around, all that stuff, and a way that you could automate an AI affiliate marketing business to the point where you're working on your business instead of in it, and then you have infinite scale. Now, anyone who's been following me for a little while knows that inside of our flagship program in my high ticket coaching program where I take people one-on-one and my staff builds everything for them, we take people through a process called the Infinite Traffic Engine. And it's basically a utopia for all affiliate marketers, okay? So the Infinite Traffic Engine, to explain what that is ultimately, in order to truly create a passive income stream with affiliate marketing, truly passive, you have to eventually incorporate paid ads. And you have to make sure that the machine and the system that you built is a machine that you basically spend $1 to make $2 back, okay? That's what creates this infinite traffic engine, this infinite loop of income. You put in $1, you make $2 back. It turns into an automated ATM, and I'm proud to say over the time that we've had the affiliate franchise, we've had several people utilize this structure, this machine, and we've been able to free them from the 9-to-5. That being said, it's also a high ticket program, and a lot of people are not able to afford it. And I'll talk about what we're doing in 2024 to make this accessible to everyone. Okay, so that being said, let me show you how this actually works. What the Infinite Traffic Engine is basically this, okay? So you have organic and you have paid. These two things represent traffic, okay? Paid traffic, organic traffic. Now, what in traditional affiliate marketing, what they usually do is they have you do organic And this is what organic is free traffic, free marketing. So that means you're going to be posting on TikTok, posting on Instagram, posting on YouTube like this, posting on Pinterest every freaking day, manually, hard labor, over and over, work. Now, the beauty of AI is that, well, the beauty and the downside of AI is, if you've learned anything recently, Forbes has even gone on and said this, is that AI alone, just the technology, will be replacing millions of jobs in the coming years, in the next 5 to 10 years, right? It's going to be crazy. So if you're still working your 9 to 5 now, you feel fairly comfortable and whatnot, be careful, because AI is coming to take over. That's not me saying it. That is Forbes magazine, and they've done their research. And I fully believe it. It's true. It's going to happen, okay? Why would I hire an accountant when I can just get an AI tool that does all of my bookkeeping, accounting, and all that stuff? It's crazy. There's going to be like a mass layoff. That being said, okay, I don't want to scare anybody. I'm not like a doomsday person. But that being said, the question came to me many times, even in our own private program, that it was like, okay, you see this AI stuff coming along. What does this mean to someone who's doing affiliate marketing? What does it mean for someone who's creating content on the internet? Isn't AI going to take over? Isn't it so that AI is basically so fast, it's so efficient, that why would you manually make content anymore? Why? That's going to be much harder, isn't it? My biggest argument against that is, number one, there's always no like and trust. Yes, AI content can be put out there very, very quickly, and you can grow it very fast. And I can't compete with an AI monster out there making YouTube videos every 5 minutes, right? I make YouTube content every week. But my point is, yes, there's speed in implementation. But I always said, well, there's still no like and trust. So if I show up on camera like this, and you guys see me, and you see I'm a real person, you see my setup back there and everything, then the idea is, over time, you get to know, like, and trust me. You get to see that I'm a real person and all that good stuff. And that trust makes people want to buy from you more than they see like this AI tool. So that was my argument against it. However, it can no longer be argued, as I've seen a lot of friends, I've seen even a lot of clients that have been implementing this, and some of the stuff we've been testing, it does work, and you never have to be on camera or any of that stuff. It's not as effective with the no like and trust, but it doesn't matter. You can make so much content that you can scale in the background without ever having to be out there and stuff. So you have a business you can just work on, and you don't have your own products, you don't have anything. So anyway, what organic is, and what traditional affiliate marketing is you make your organic stuff to the AFF, the affiliate link, and then you get commissions. But we know with what I just said, the problem with that is people are either really shy, they don't want to be on camera, or you have a really important job, like you're a teacher, you're somebody who you just can't be seen online promoting different stuff and all that. So I get that. We've had many clients who've come to us and said that. So we build out different systems for them. But this helps us double down. This is huge. So one problem with this is that. The other problem is you can never move faster than a paid ad can. For about $5-10, you can get in front of about 1,000 people with paid ads. That's a CPM, okay? And a human being is just probably not able to do that unless you go viral or something. And it's really hard to go viral, right? Most people's content gets 100, 200 views, something like that, okay? So that being said, this eliminates all of that. This is a way in which you can infinitely scale your affiliate marketing business crazy this year. And this is what we're doubling down on for our new program. Let me get into that in a second. But what you're going to do is you're going to post organic content right here, okay? And then you're going to use AI software to create the organic content. So imagine creating TikTok videos, YouTube videos, whatever. Imagine creating it in a tiny fraction of the time, and you never have to be on the camera yourself. You never have to record voiceover. You never have to do anything. You can literally create this and make it into a machine that's just making content for you. Now, you're going to make money from this. You'll make a few $100s, a week, a day, etc. But what you're going to do, instead of just pocketing that money and like, oh, I'm going to go to the store and buy myself some shoes, instead of that, you're going to reinvest it into paid ads. And guess what? The AI can create paid ads too. And you're going to siphon that paid ad traffic back into your organic traffic, and you're going to create what we call the infinite traffic engine. This endless loop of, I make money from my organic content, my free traffic, my AI content. I use AI to create paid ads that are effective and get people to sign up, give me their email, keep marketing to them, etc., keep following up. And then I use that money back into my organic over and over and over, because the fortune is in the follow-up when it comes to paid ads. So a lot of people won't buy from your ad right away, so there has to be somewhere to send them. Boom, I have an organic traffic source, and I'm going to keep on going around and around and around. What this ultimately means, and I'm going to draw this line up, is that you'll start small for sure, but over time, because of the power of paid ads, you will start to reinvest into your business, keep growing your organic content, keep growing your AI machine, okay? Keep feeding it, and you'll create this flywheel over time where you're going to start seeing thousands of dollars a week, a day, etc., just from this reinvention flywheel. Now, let me get into this. Now you can see the system at a bird's eye view. That's the infinite traffic engine. And before, what we were doing inside of my flagship program, the affiliate franchise, it's a done for you. It still exists. We still do that. We still have a staff that builds out all your AI stuff, that builds out all of your everything. We build the machine, okay? We build it for you. You're basically just in charge of paying for the ads once that thing is up and running. That being said, it's an expensive program, right? It costs a lot to hire my team and work with me and all that stuff like that. So what we've done is we've created a monthly membership program where that exact system right there. I used to say, oh, if you have free time and all that stuff, you need a lot of free time, but that's if you're going to do content, posting videos of yourself and stuff like that. Now that we've integrated these AI tools, oh my God, you don't even need a lot of free time because you're working on your business just a few minutes, an hour or so a day, just building all this stuff out, and then it's automated. It's a flywheel that just keeps going and going. We're teaching this and we're showing you how to grow this, and we're giving you all the tools and the resource inside of our monthly membership program. It's a monthly membership because we also in there have prizes, we have unlockable stuff, we have leaderboards, we have a lot of fun, we challenge each other. It's freaking amazing. It's called the Infamous Mob. It's just $97 per month. We're in there giving you daily accountability, coaching, all that awesome stuff. We're super excited to be launching it this year, and I'm super doubling down on this system. We're going to be showing a lot of people how to use this to finally get out of the rat race in 2024. Guys, it's time. It is time. If you've been watching the news, you heard what I mentioned to you earlier about Forbes and all this AI stuff just replacing jobs. It's only a matter of time before your job gets replaced. People are getting laid off out the wazoo. It's crazy out there. The economy is going crazy. You have to figure out an exit plan. Me and my team have built this program to free as many people as we possibly can. That is our mission at the Infamous Mob. That is my mission in life. It's what I've been called to do. So we came up with this system. We've kind of added it into what we had before, and it's working crazy. We love it. We love it, love it, love it. So we want you to experience it too. And if you click down below, you're able to join my monthly membership program. I will see you in there. I'm working with everybody personally. I'm fired up about it. And let's get rocking and rolling. I'm the Infamous Joel, and I'm out.